Hi everyone and welcome back to HomeHeadChef. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make restaurant quality baked potatoes at home. Baked potatoes are relatively easy to make. As long as you don't burn them, they'll turn out perfect. But I have a few tricks along the way that are going to make them restaurant style. We're going to need a few ingredients, so let's step up to the cutting board and see what we need. Now before we get started on the ingredients, we're going to want to preheat our oven to 425 degrees. We're going to need 4 baked potatoes, a few tablespoons of olive oil, salt and pepper, and about a teaspoon of garlic powder. Now before you get started on preparing the potatoes, you want to make sure that they're washed and dried. We're going to take our fork, we're going to just poke around it, I want to say about 8 to 10 times. This is going to allow the steam from the inside to escape, so that way they don't explode. Now we're going to drizzle each potato with a nice healthy amount of olive oil. This is going to allow our seasonings to adhere to it, and it's going to let that skin crisp up. So we want to rub all the sides with that olive oil and get it nice and evenly coated. Now we have those evenly coated, we're just going to add a nice amount of salt and pepper to them. Get those nice and covered. Garlic powder on each as well. A little bit more for these ones. Roll them around, get all evenly coated. Now we're going to place these in our 450 degree oven for 45 minutes to 1 hour. Now it's been 1 hour for ours. The time is going to really depend on how big your potato is. Now there's one way to check on if your potato is done. We're going to give it a nice little squeeze. If it's really soft on all sides, then it's done. These are all perfectly done, so let's plate this. Now to plate this, there's different ways that you can cut it. I like to keep it simple. We're just going to go straight down the center, just a little bit. We're going to squeeze both sides and open it up just like that. We're going to get a fork. We're just going to get in here and slightly break this up, just for presentation purposes. Make it a little bit easy on those that are eating it, just like that. We're going to top it with a nice little pat of butter, a little sprinkle of chive, just for some color and a little bit of flavor. There you go. Let's get a taste. All right, let's dig in. We want to get a little bit of that skin in the inside of that potato as well. I really do like potato skin. We got some of that melted butter. Perfect. You get the nice soft fluffiness of the inside of the potato. The skin is nice and crispy and has a little bit of crunch from that salt. You can taste the garlic, but it's not overpowering. This is a fantastic way to make a baked potato. Now you can top this any way you want with butter, sour cream, cheese, bacon, pulled pork, chili. The possibilities are endless when it comes to a baked potato. So make sure that you try this recipe out. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. If you're interested in the outdoors, I have an outdoor channel as well. It's called Tagged Out. I'll have a link for that down in the description. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.